My name is Raveesh. Currently, I am located in Thuraipakam, but I have purchased a flat in Pallikaranai. The flat belongs to Krishna Celesta Group. I was looking for the interior actually. So then one of my friend he has recommended me Cookscape. So he has given me very good feedback about Cookscape. So even I had approached, I had reached to OMR showroom. So then when I was meeting them personally, so I could able to see. Initially, they have explained me about the spec. So what kind of plywood we need, what kind of lamination we need, and so all those things. So each and every spec, I was completely okay. So that was the point. I made the decision that I'll go with Cookscape. Then the work has been started. So before that, we had 2D views and 3D views. So in that process, so the architect, the Varshini, has helped me in finalizing the volume in terms of every room, including living, dining, and bedrooms. So she has helped me a lot. So she has done good job there. So we had 3D drawings. So they had given me all the 3D drawings with all the laminations with the colors what we have chosen. So then I was quite impressed actually. After we went for production, so it took almost 30 to 45 days for the production. They started delivering the material, and in fact they immediately delivered. So they did not any delay. So after that, once the work has been started, I was looking for some changes because I wanted to make some changes. So even the site engineer, I came across Annava Perumal. So even he has done very good job. So whatever changes I was telling him, right? So he accepted all those changes, and he satisfied me basically. So because I need some minute changes because I had to fit my cot and mattress and all those things. So overall the complete process was good. They completed the site on time. So even they did not give any delay and all. So overall it was quite satisfied process. I was completely happy. Cookscape was providing very good material and very good site engineers. So they will be completely satisfying everyone actually. So I completely recommend Cookscape to my friends and everyone.